Alright guys, welcome back. So real quick, I'm just going to do a quick update on what I've done so far. So in my last video, obviously, we went through and cleaned up the engine bay, sprayed it down, degreased it and all that. I'm going to leave that for how it is right now. I'm not going to keep working on the engine bay just because I'm still waiting on some mounts to come in, because you need to remove this one and actually weld in one right here. And then also, that's going to be a different video of where I actually go through and strip the engine bay. I did strip it from what was inside of it, but I'm actually going to go through and scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite pad. I'm also going to go remove small things like this screw. I don't need that, and just clean stuff up like that. I also need to get a spot weld drill bit, that way I can remove this without having a bunch of holes in my chassis, obviously. And so that's that for right now. But also, other great news is I actually went and sold my B16 transmission, and then within 6 hours I already had a K24A2, which is really nice. It's one of the more sought after K24s, and I'm really happy I was able to get this one because this is kind of what I wanted, either this or a K24A with an RBB3 head, which is a 3-lobe on intake and exhaust cams. So that's good. I'm really happy about that. What we're going to be doing today is actually going through, jack up the whole car, so take off all the wheels and basically go through and tear out the suspension. I'm doing that because I'm also rebuilding the suspension, because I don't want to put that motor in the car, which is making 200 horsepower roughly right now in this car on 30-year-old suspensions. But other than that, let's get down to it. And I'm not really going to be talking. This is going to more so me a time-lapse sped up version of what I'll be doing. you.